Avenue Southwest.
6333 38th Avenue Southwest. We're doing a camera scope from a clean out on the west side of the home. We are sitting in the city main, 162 feet out. I'm going to pull back from here, record as I go. As we pull back, we're out here in 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. As you can see, the erosion line going down the middle there. Starting to see some debris in the line there. Big old rock there.
Oh, jeez.
That's a
Damn
103
goose
feet
egg.
up.
How many?
103.
So that one has to sit there.
It'll get down eventually. Out there, you got better pitch, so it's that's why it's
It looked like it was round anyway.
Yeah, it's slowly rolling its way to the main. Now we're getting a little flatter, it looks like.
That's quite a camera you got on that thing. You ramp stuff with it. You think the camera, you do that once and it
You're not supposed
shatter
to.
it.
Definitely not supposed to.
Oh, okay. Wasn't designed for that.
No. Bob would be very upset. Oh, microphone's on. Scratch that from the record.
we got the camera or the audio on.
Oh, that's a long line. Yeah.
Okay, so it's just when we get to go through that.
It's showered is good right now. Anything with solids is going to stop.
Just
Any
use
toilet
the- use
paper.
the toilet. Use
Okay.
the other toilet. Remember I figured in yesterday.
Yeah.
But he can shower at will. It's open now, but it's just as soon as the solid comes down this run,
That's
it's going to stop.
Okay. Well, you had mentioned to him to not use the shower. So we need to make sure he knows that the shower doesn't.
Actually, warm water, once we're done, warm water will help get that, remember that undesirable clog thing
Yeah, help
in there?
clean
It'll
it
help
out.
loosen that up, because the cold water, I have to use cold while the camera's in there, otherwise it'll fog up the lens. So
Oh.
once that's done.
Okay. Well, that's random.
Yeah.
All right. So from here, this is a tie-in for the toilet leaving on the north side of the home. I'm going to zero out my footage to get a proper count of how much liner material would be needed. Big old rocks to just stretch. I'm gonna pause the recording really quick.
Well, I gotta say, my brother owns a plumbing business. He does commercial plumbing. And, you know, when you own a business and you bring in new employees, and we've had some of his employees do some work on our house and stuff, and it's like, oh my gosh, you know?
Yeah, sometimes it makes me kind of sad to see how bad some of the work's done.
Yeah.
So yeah, they have 2 repairs in there. So I'm just kind of flabbergasted by them. So the 37 feet of liner to get into this PVC.
Okay.
I'm gonna end the recording there. We're right before the clean out.
Okay, so